Doing pretty good on his own. This is his second time skiing. This is his first time down the mountain.
I'm not going there yet.
Okay, that's fine. We gotta go that way though. First time down the mountain by himself without being in between my skis. Okay, follow Bodian. That's where we're going, okay? Follow them.
I'm trying to.
Are you trying to? Okay, Elijah's second time, third time down the mountain. Okay, pizza slice, pizza slice, pizza slice. Crash and burn. I wasn't laughing at you. Yep, pizza slice. To slow you down. Now stay to your right. Stay to your right. Go to the right, to the right, to the right. There you go. Good job. Come here. Over towards me, son. Towards me. Good job, buddy. Good job. Good job, Lige. Anyway, what I was saying earlier, third time ever going down, first time going by himself. Pretty impressed. Second time skiing ever. Good job, dude. You're doing so phenomenal, son. I'm so proud of you, and I'm recording it so everybody can see it.
You're not looking where you're going.
I don't need to look where I'm going.
Why?
Because I'm good. Okay, pizza slice if you get going too fast. Stay over towards me, son. Good job, buddy. Good job, dude. Look, we got McKenna's first time skiing and Elijah's second time. Woo, good job, Elijah. Good job, Nan. Woo, and then Lincoln is somewhere up over the hill there. Good job, Elijah. Okay, let's stop right here and wait for Lincoln, okay, please? Thank you. Good job, bud. Great stop. There is Keeley on the left, Lincoln on the right. It's his second time going down all by himself and only his second time skiing. Elijah, quit crying. I'll be there in a second. Whoa, he's going. That is so cool. Good job, buddy. I'm proud of both of you boys.